Hi, this is Alice from SIB Visions with an overview of how you can create an application for web, desktop, and mobile in a single step. To create the application, I click on Custom Application on the main screen in VisionX. Add a title, use the default database, the default user, and choose a background image. When I click Finish, a full Java application is generated. Now I'll create a screen called Projects and choose the layout. We'll use Web, but it can be any layout. Select Define the information you want to manage and define the data model. I will add the fields Name, Description, From Date, and To Date, and then add a combo box for the project type. The screen I just defined opens in design mode, and I can switch between the list view and the details view at the top. To run this as a web application, I choose a live preview from the main menu and choose the web preview. When I click on the New button, the detail view opens where I can add a new project. I'm going to add some data here and click Save. I now want to run this same application as a mobile app. To do that, I again select Live Preview from the menu and then Start on Mobile Device. On the next screen, I choose the Simulator option. If you have a mobile device ready, you can also connect to the same wireless network as your application and run it with this URL. But we'll just use the simulator for now. Click on Finish. Adjust the screen resolution to simulate a mobile device, and log in. Here is what the application would look like on mobile. No changes to the code are necessary to switch between the web and mobile interfaces. Thanks so much for watching.